Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. My my title of my research is all about the effect of globalization in the food industry, and my topics are about the food production, about on how food in our industry, about globalization. Yes, and submitted by Renz Gales, Oxford, the ITC, submitted to Kristen May Llanes. My introduction is all about a significant overhaul the global food system required. The current road leads to the dead end. The increases in the food production required to fulfill the predicted demands of the substantially larger and affluent human population cannot be met merely by extrapolating current production and consumption. Food production, as the name implies, entails the preparation of food, usually food products, for human consumption in home or in a food processing industry, like fisheries sectors operates in a globalized world where fish may be produced in one location, processed in another, and consumed by humans in a third, and employs scientific methods in its operations. Then the next about the next body, agricultural land is for traditional and non-food crops like cabre and tobacco is relatively eligible and has remained stable in past decades. However, agricultural crops dedicated to industrial uses like biofuel production play a significant and growing role. The competition about for land like water, food, or feedstock material from biofuels is clearly evident. Global statistics, too informative, tend to obscure a great idea for contextual resolution that is of critical importance to decision making and policy. In the case of food security, it is particularly important to understand on how our project shortfalls and food likely occur rather than simply having understand the core on global level. Then my conclusion lastly is about the whole overall reduction body. The conclusion is the third major challenge of achieving a sustainable food system is to eventually achieve a state in which food production, processing, and consumption all operate within boundaries of planetary system and, if possible, have regional relative influence. Two impacts occur throughout the food chain, from production through processing and disposal. The most irresistible and severe impacts occur in agricultural production portion of the chain. Lastly is maintaining the continued functioning of science and agroecological system is critical for the food system medium and long-term preservation. Healthy soils foundation for many ecosystem processes and local biodiversity are one of the core foundation and agroecological system. Many of the traditional biological features of a soil have placed with chemical control mechanism resulting in a constant reliance on outside inputs. And lastly, this is my the fourth citation reference by Alochi, 2011 lesson sustainability and resilience of global water and food system. Political analysis by interplay between security resource, scarcity, political system, and global trade, like food policy, like the link of the food, the date 2010 to 2013, and the Animal Welfare Institute by 2015, like fishing farmer retrieved on September 4, 2015 from a link of fish farming. Lastly is the Aquat 2014 water withdrawal by sector retrieve date on September 3, 2015 from the website of Aquat. And that's all, and this is the end of my research. Thank you. Yes.